Welcome to the AI tutorial series, where we unlock the power of artificial intelligence in just minutes. Imagine this. In just 10 minutes, you could learn how AI can save you hours, yes, hours of your time. Whether it's writing articles, designing graphics, or even coding apps, it's all possible with just a single command. But today, I want to show you something even more exciting. I'll give you a free tutorial on how to create a video like the one you're watching right now. Yes, even this presenter you see is powered by AI. Why does this matter? Because with this skill, you can create professional marketing videos without hiring expensive actors. Make powerful hooks that instantly grab attention on social media. Or, even better, start your journey as an influencer without ever showing your face on camera. This is perfect if you've always wanted to share your ideas online but felt shy about being in front of the lens. With AI, you can have a digital version of yourself, or even a completely new avatar, speak for you. So stay with me until the end, because I'll not only show you step by step how to do it, but I'll also share a few insider tricks to make your AI videos stand out and actually get views. Let's get started. Want to turn a simple photo into a professional advertisement? It's easy with ChatGPT. Just upload your picture, describe the style you want, like a modern high-end fashion ad, and ChatGPT handles the rest. Add the prompt for the example. Transform this photo into a promotional scene in a 16:9 aspect ratio. The person should be holding or gesturing toward the LV clothes, smiling confidently. The background should be clean and modern, possibly looks like a professional advertisement. Wait a minute, and boom! In seconds, your photo transforms into a polished, eye-catching promotional image ready to share anywhere. Now we move to the second step, making a voiceover. Type on the prompt of ChatGPT, "Make me a voiceover text to promote the clothes." Wait a minute. Now you have a photo advertisement product and voiceover. You just need to download the photo and copy the voiceover text on the ChatGPT. To have a voiceover, now go to 11labs.io. Choose text-to-speech and paste the voiceover text. You have copying from ChatGPT. Now choose the voice you want. You can scroll and choose the voice. Here I use Charlie. Don't forget to click Generate Speech. Now you have a sound of Charlie promoting your product. Click Download to save the sound. Move to the third step, Open Dreamface. Upload the avatar you have made and download from ChatGPT. Now click Audio, upload audio you've made and download from 11labs.io. Scroll and click Generate. Wait a minute. Now you have your avatar promoting your product. For the last step, we will edit it to enhance the quality of the video. Remember that all of we use are free, so it must be edited to enhance the quality of the video. Here, I used CapCut. Now import the video, zoom in to make the watermark not visible to see. Now on the right settings, scroll on the basic and click Enhance Quality. It improves the quality of your video to UHD or 4K. Now on the left, Click Caption to have automatic caption of the video. Choose the template and click Generating Caption. Wait a minute. Now your video are ready to jump on your social media. You can export it now and you have your file video now. Here is the result of your video. Step into timeless elegance with Louis Vuitton. Crafted with precision, designed for those who demand excellence. Whether it's a casual day out or a statement moment, our signature collection blends luxury and comfort effortlessly. Elevate your style. Discover the power of true sophistication. Louis Vuitton. Redefining fashion, one piece at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. In the next tutorial, we'll dive even deeper to another AI tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you soon.